Welcome, Pythonistas, to the ultimate clash of the titans. We're diving deep into the VS Code versus PyCharm debate, the definitive Python IDE showdown for 2025. Get ready to settle this once and for all. Are you tired of endlessly searching for the perfect Python environment? Do you find yourself sacrificing performance for features, or vice versa? Your quest ends here. We've meticulously dissected both VS Code and PyCharm to help you uncover the IDE that truly unlocks your coding potential. In the blue corner, we have VS Code, Microsoft's open-source, lightweight, and incredibly flexible editor that dominates the general development landscape. And in the green corner, the seasoned veteran, PyCharm, JetBrains' intelligent, purpose-built powerhouse, crafted specifically for Python development. Let's kick off with core Python features. VS Code, while requiring extensions like pylons, offers fantastic code completion and debugging. PyCharm, however, shines with its native, batteries-included approach, especially for intelligent refactoring and deep code analysis right out of the box. When it comes to speed and resource usage, VS Code generally boasts faster startup times and a lighter memory footprint, making it ideal for quick edits or less powerful machines. PyCharm, while a bit heavier, leverages that power for superior indexing and seamless navigation in massive, complex projects. Customization is where VS Code truly excels, with a colossal extension marketplace allowing endless personalization and polyglot development. PyCharm, on the other hand, provides deep, native integrations for popular Python frameworks like Django and Flask, along with powerful database tools, offering a highly specialized ecosystem. For pure debugging power, PyCharm often takes the lead, offering unparalleled variable inspection and conditional breakpoints for complex scenarios. But for data scientists, VS Code's integrated Jupyter Notebook experience is incredibly smooth and often preferred for interactive analysis. So, where do they truly shine? VS Code is fantastic for web development, data science, and lightweight scripting due to its versatility. PyCharm, with its robust refactoring tools and enterprise-grade features, is often the go-to for large-scale Python applications and long-term project maintenance. Ultimately, there's no single best IDE. It boils down to your specific workflow and needs. If you value flexibility and a vast extension ecosystem, VS Code might be your champion. If deep intelligence, robust refactoring, and native framework support are paramount, PyCharm is likely your ideal choice. Which IDE wins your heart for 2025? Are you Team VS Code or Team PyCharm? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this showdown helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the world of Python. Happy coding!